The next chapter in finishing or restoring the Coppersmith wooden box, we've removed all the hardware, started taking all the rust off with this tiny little nail brush. Some of the stuff we're going to have to do with a grinder and a special bit, but we'll show that in the next video. Moving on to the box, this is what it currently looks like with all the hardware removed. A lot of dirt, a lot of old rust from the metalworks, which we will start sanding shortly. This might take a while because there's also a lot of old paint on the sides of the box and the top. I'm going to use my Makita beautiful little sander, FYI. As you can see, my hands are not very big, just a tiny little thing, works like a dream. I'm going to start with either 40 or 60 grit. The wood is quite dry, so I think 60 will be okay for this side. Strip some of the paint by hand, maybe with a blade, just to get the excess off, and then we'll take it from there and we'll post the next video as soon as this is done. Like, subscribe and share.